Every second, two people put their trust in ZEISS lenses to see more of their world. At ZEISS, we're intensely focused on having the best lab network in the industry. ZEISS is committed to the success of the practice and the complete satisfaction of the patient. And the quality of our products, the quality of our lab service, have a huge influence on the patient's visual experience and ultimately on the success of the practice. So we have a responsibility that begins the moment your ZEISS laboratory receives the order. A pair of lens pucks, taken from inventory and inspected for flawless clarity, provide the starting point for the manufacturing process. The puck begins a journey to become a unique visual solution created for the precise needs of the individual patient. With ZEISS's patented backside freeform design, every patient experiences lenses customized to their own vision needs. This process is highlighted in ZEISS's premium product. A freeform generator, driven by an advanced design engine, creates a pair of lenses that are completely personalized for the patient. With the addition of eye scription technology, patients can experience the best possible image clarity and contrast perception. Each lens is made to an accuracy of 1/100th of a diopter and polished to perfection. This precision allows you to provide patients with their best possible vision. ZEISS premium lenses are personalized with a discrete engraving of the patient's initials. The final touch of clarity is a coating, multi-layered, microscopically thin, the latest evolution of anti-reflective lenses, a product originally invented by ZEISS. The lenses are edged precisely to fit the patient's frame. Lenses and frames are matched in a meticulous, hands-on process. The entire production and inspection process is constantly monitored and held to the strictest quality standards. Only then is it ready to be shipped by express or overnight air to the customer. When the patient receives her finished lenses, the lens's journey ends and the patient's journey to better vision begins. At the end of the day, the success of the ZEISS labs rests on a simple foundation. We never forget that there's an eye care professional behind every order, and behind every pair of lenses we make, there's a person with unique vision needs, and all of our work comes together the moment innovation and cutting-edge technology meet the highest level of customer care. This is the moment we work for.